आखिर छात्रों के आविष्कारों का चुनाव पेटेंट के लिए कैसे होता है और इस चयन का आधार क्या होता है, आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
TIFAC is the technology think tank. The TIFAC team is involved in innovative programs and visioning ideas. The concept of TIFAC was started by former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And right now I have with me the TIFAC team. I also have with me Dr. Prabhat Ranjan, who is the Executive Director of TIFAC. Sir, thank you so much for speaking to us.
Thank you.
Sir, basically TIFAC is a huge organization as far as scientific outlook and scientific ideas are concerned. What exactly, if we talk about precisely, what exactly is the work of TIFAC?
So TIFAC, as you rightly mentioned, it is set up as a technology think tank. It was set up in 1988. We look at technology changes that are happening in 20 to 25 years ahead of time and prepare country for segregating our strategy as to what line of technology we should be choosing and how we should be preparing. So that is the kind of task that we are doing.
Dr. Yashwant, there is a patent facilitation center also, which is a part of TIFAC. So, which facilitates the academicians and scientists who, for their outstanding ideas, it gives them the patent. So, what exactly is the process of selection for the projects which you give patent for?
There are three basic criteria of getting a patent. It should be new. So newness should be globally new. It should not be like first time in India. A lot of innovators come to us and say, I've done first time in India. So it should be globally new and it should be innovative. And third is it can be used or it can be made in industry. So you can make multiple products or a process you can replicate.
Ma'am, I would like to ask you that Inspire program, TIFAC has a role to play here. If you can explain what exactly is the role of TIFAC in this Inspire program?
See, TIFAC is trying to find out what are the inventive projects or models which have been exhibited here, which can be taken forward for patenting and further development of the technology.
If you could tell us about the viability of such models, such kind of ideas on economic and social front.
It generates a lot of awareness among the students. For example, I personally work in disability sector or environment sector. You will see the number of projects related to environment, number of projects related to disability sector and so on. It creates a kind of awareness among the students, which leaves a good impression on their mind as to how things should be done. So that's a very valuable wealth, I would think, that we are creating.
How can one idea, one innovation, one technology change the outlook of future scientific generation?
See, this is very evident now. If how the computer applications have progressed, this will give you an idea how one small innovation can take the things further. And similarly, the invention of internet, which has revolutionized everything. So small ideas give rise to bigger things.